Good morning, all. Um, Now, myself, Dr. Shaktivel, and Dr. Santosh Ganala, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade from the School of Computer Science and Engineering. Now, we are going to present a video on Cisco WebEx meetings attendance taking and a tracking system. So, how the Cisco WebEx meetings that can be created and what are all steps to take the attendance from that particular Cisco WebEx meetings. So we have Cisco WebEx client and also we have Cisco WebEx meeting teams. So we have two versions for these meetings. Normally we will join by using the Cisco WebEx app that can be installed in a laptop or a desktop, and you can open that application and you can log in by using your mail IDs, your personal Gmail IDs or your official mail IDs you can use for creating this WebEx meetings. Maybe the Cisco WebEx creation, meetings creation, joining that will be explained in some other ICT tool sessions. So here we will only focus on Cisco WebEx attendance tracking only. Since the attendance tracking system used in the Cisco WebEx that is a paid one, it is not freely available in the browsers or in the download options. So we are going to explain only the steps that is involved in the Cisco WebEx meetings. So what are all the topics we will cover in this particular presentation? So it can be shown here. So first one, track participants attention, turn on or turn off attention tracking, grant attention tracking privilege, find a Cisco WebEx event ID, download a Cisco WebEx events participant attention report. So these are all the topics that will be covered during this particular video. Next one, steps for tracking the particular attendance for the Cisco WebEx. So first topic that will be track participant attention. So this is new in this particular Cisco WebEx. It is not available in all the other online tools, but only the paid versions will have this particular option in the Cisco WebEx. So in this, the attendance indicator shows if an attendee has minimized the event window or bought another window in front of the event window. So that can be seen by the participants' attention. The host can see all these particular informations whenever they minimize the event window or opened some other window or working for some other things. That track that will be done by using this Cisco WebEx. So attention to attendance ratio. So attentiveness based on how long the attendee was in the event. Suppose we have 50 minutes classes. So how long the attendee or participant will be available in the particular session. So based on that ratio for 50 minutes, we will calculate. Suppose if they are in the 20 minutes means based on that we can allocate attendance for them, whether half attendance or full attendance we can provide. If the university will have the rules for that particular half or full hour attendance. Attention to duration ratio. So attentiveness based on the duration of the event. Suppose we have 2 hours for our day means, so during that particular 2 hour sessions, uh, during that 2 hours, if the attendee present for first 20 minutes in the first hour class and second 20 minutes for the second hour class means any 1 hour you can put one full attendance for the particular participant. The other hour that can be made as absent, because through the participant attendance that will be tracked and it will be incorporated. So next one, turn on and turn off the attendance tracking in Cisco WebEx. So in Cisco, you can open that Cisco WebEx meeting app, the paid version in the browser or in the Cisco WebEx browser or in the particular downloader application, go to the Events tab and go to the Options, and then from the Communications tab select Attendance Tracking. So here the attention tracking that will be available in the paid versions alone. Suppose if you are using a Mac system, you can go to that. Instead of events, it will be available as WebEx events, preferences, tools, and then select attention tracking. So next one, grant attention tracking privilege. So by default, the panelists have the access to attendance tracking indicator. Host can turn this privilege on or off at any time. Suppose I don't want to track that particular attention of that particular participant, means maybe we can off this particular one, and we can have the normal privileges, joining and other things, everything we will have this. So so where we will assign these privileges to, normally the assign privileges that will be done only by the host only. So assign privileges to panelist, so we can assign to panelist. So in the Mac operating system, select communications tab, check or uncheck the attendance tracking. So here the two options that will be available, that is checking the attendance tracking, that is attendance tracking is on. If it's unchecked means attendance tracking is off. Find a Cisco, next topic that will be find a Cisco WebEx event ID. Event ID that is very much important in the Cisco WebEx, because all your informations that will be recorded through the event ID only. Because we will have per day we will have number of Cisco WebEx meetings, but through the event ID only we will track all the participants. So how many have participated in that particular meeting. So for this, you can go to the My WebEx options, My Reports, and select Attendance Report located under the WebEx Events heading. So in this, you can go to the event name and display report. And download history option, it will have the .csv file to link to the attendance list report. So download a Cisco WebEx event participants attention report. It is to generate the participant event report in Excel or Word file, means we can have this particular option in the My WebEx, My Reports, and then select attendance report located under the WebEx events meeting. Through the event ID only, you can click generate the detailed report of participants. So through the participant reports, you can have, so who logged in at what time, the timestamp that will be recorded in every WebEx meetings. It will also include the event ID also. So through that, uh, who are all entered the particular session at what time, that can be recorded, that can be generated as a report, and we can have the attendance system. So based on that, we can calculate how much time they will be available in that particular sessions, that will be calculated and it will be reported in the attendance also. So through the WebEx, so we will have number of tracking systems that will be available now. So it will be very useful for us to create this one. So thank you for listening. So now we don't have any free or open source things. So now I'm using the PPT to present this particular video. Suppose if any paid versions that is freely available in the AIT, then we will take and we will explain you in some other videos also. Thank you. Thank you all for providing this opportunity.